Shake it off. Shake it up.
Yeah, it was crazy. I had a dream I was speaking fluently Nelson and then it got back to me. That part.
Yum. Do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Yeah. Hey everybody, this is your host Zombie Allure, where the Zombie Unicorn Queen, and I just want to ask before we get this video started, how are all my wonderful benevolent alkalites doing out there in the world? Yes. How you guys doing? How you guys doing today? So today's video is gonna be me doing a mukbang of this Jolly Llama dairy-free, gluten-free cone white mint chip. We got 3 in here, guys. So I'm gonna test it out real quick. Alright, let's get her done. Okay. Okay. Yo, this is good. I'm not even gonna lie. That's a good brand. I give this about a 10 out of a 10. This is a big size. Try it out, guys. Jolly Llama. Yeah.
Baby, you got something in your nose. Sniffing that K, did you feel the hole? Hope you find peace for yourself. You're beautiful and capable of great things, like murder. Piercing on your lip, it's perfect. Never seen another girl this perfect. Sticking out your tongue for the picture. You're so pretty.
Hi.
When you got a silent but dead wife heart.
Sing through the snow in a one-horse.
any drugs in this house?
If there
Put that down for a second.
if there are, you better find them and give them to me immediately. No, they're not.
Don't you understand? You're the other woman.
No! You're married to me! She's the other woman!
All I need is good energy. I don't need no negativity around me.
You look lonely. I can fix that.
Funky little monkey, she's a twisted trickster. Everybody wants to be the sisters. Funky little monkey, she's a twisted trickster. Everybody wants to be the sisters. Mr. Coca-Cola roller coaster, love her.
When you cannot even use the bathroom? Archie. Are you trying to say that I need a bath? Yeah, baby?
Delicioso.
SpongeBob. I gotta go right now.
Up in a nasty girl, nasty. Up in a nasty girl, nasty. Up in a nasty girl, nasty. Up in a nasty, nasty, nasty. Is somebody gonna?
No! Don't do it.
Up in a nasty girl, nasty. Up in a nasty girl.
I can see the future. I can see the future. It's looking like we love the skies. I can't wait to live in glory and eternity. I-T-B-O-Y B-B-N-O $sign. That's me, that's right. I-T-B-O-Y B-B-N-O $sign.
That's a sopes. So I had recorded a mukbang video and it didn't record. So that was sad, but that okay. I'm just gonna enjoy my food anyway. Okay, bye. So yeah, I had just went live. And I think I'm gonna start going live more often. If you guys are wanting me to go live more, comment down below letting me know. Alright guys, yeah, bye. Wait, hold on. And yes, I could burp on command. Bye. Good morning. Whenever I have to fart, I can't fart. And whenever I need to fart,
I can do some burping too for you.
I know.
You just open
Everyone,
your mouth and I go.
people ask, how do you get like that? I was like, my mom.
You tell them that.
Yep. Oh, see. That was like literally muffled. Can I help you, sir? Archie, can you leave the room so I could finish what I'm doing? Archie. Go bye-bye. No, you have to go bye-bye. I'm not done yet.
Look at her. I would die for her. I would kill for her.